Hey all, Wild for Games here, helping you become bigger and better on Mixer's platform. And in this quick Mixer tip video, I'm going to show you exactly what Spark Patronage is. So let's get right into it. When you use Sparks on Skills or MixPlay, you can support partnered streamers without spending any money. And this is what's called Spark Patronage. Partnered streamers have a blue, purple, or pink rocket displayed on their stream. The rocket shows different milestones representing various financial rewards. Spending your Sparks to fill the rocket, and partners will receive a financial reward for each milestone they reach. Please note these amounts are additive, not cumulative over time. Rewards will also be paid out at the end of each month. Also, please note spending Sparks on your own channel does not count towards these milestones. If you're a viewer on Mixer's platform, you have to be aware of who's gonna benefit from your Sparks. On hosted streams, Sparks spent on the hoster's stream will go to the hostee. On co-streams, Sparks will benefit the partner whose URL you're currently in. The Sparks Patronage feature is a really cool bonus that can help financially support your favorite partnered streamer on Mixer. But if you're still confused on what a Spark is, don't worry, I'm gonna put a video over here to the side that I recommend you check out right after this video. Until next time, my name's Wild for Games, helping you all become bigger and better. And I will see all of you beautiful people next time in my next quick Mixer video coming out real soon. Take care all and peace.